this is me Shubhodrika Sen and I welcome you to another episode of Indulge Vlogs. Today we are here at the Classic Drivers Club Vintage and Classic Car and Bike Show 2026, which is being organized at the Alipur Museum, Kolkata. This is a very interesting place which we have also shown last year, and if you have not seen our video last time, then the link is in the description. This time there are two very interesting additions to this particular show. Come, we are very excited to show you what they are.
In fact, you cannot miss out on the demonstration of how an Austin looks like without the outer constructs.
बॉडी विंडस्टर है, बॉडी तौला की है, कैसे इंजन मैकेनिकल तुम्हें को आगे पीछे करो।
Every time you see a vintage car out on the roads of Calcutta, the phone cameras have definitely pointed at them. And in this show, every car was a celebrity. From Range Rovers to ambassadors, from Jeeps to Austins and Rolls-Royce, everything was on display. Genuine car enthusiasts came inquiring about the car, its preservation or reconstruction, regular usage and more. Visitors who have probably never seen so many vintage cars and bikes together did not miss the opportunity to go around clicking photographs for the gram. Some were even lucky to be able to sit inside the cars and on the bikes and then take their selfies or group views. Moreover, this show did not just display cars in Kolkata. Several of these models journeyed beyond borders from Odisha or even Bombay to be a part of this display.
If you have been to modern shopping malls and you have seen children riding mini toy trains or mini cars, this is the vintage collection that you need to see. These were cars, bikes, scooters, all of them which were owned by the princely states, and they were ridden by young prince and princesses of those states. This entire collection comes from Rishi Kumar, who happens to be a very well-known connect with the Park Street, the previously India Hobby Center, and you need to take a look at this and see how fun they are. Just like preserving a vintage car and displaying it is a part of art, we have the members of Urban Sketchers group here today who are actually making art out of this show. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi, can you please introduce yourselves?
I'm Mashada Bose and I'm an architect and an artist by passion. So I am with the Urban Sketchers team, and we are today we are trying to capture the moments, the beautiful cars, the beautiful models and the history, some beautiful moments we are trying to capture, and by sketches we are all trying to do our best.
My name is Shubarna Mondal. So yeah, this Urban Sketchers this group is really nice group. Like we go to different places of Kolkata and we sketch, and today like it's really enjoyable. Like I'm just waiting for sun to go a little bit down so that I can sketch more cars.
I see you have also captured the Alipur Museum very well.
Yeah,
Two vintage things at the same time.
I'm Sharanya Archandran. I'm a cartographer by profession, but I like to do sketching also. So I'm part of this group. So today, like this location is special, and this event is also special. So I'm trying to capture both Alipur Zoo in the background and the vintage car show in the drawing.
This is your first time to the vintage car show?
Yeah, to the museum also it's my first time. So yeah, it's special. Thank you.
Hi. Hi. Tell me, what are you drawing? I see you already have an inspiration.
Yes, I didn't find space to sit over there, but I did capture a vintage car and I'm trying to sketch it. This is my first time with Urban Sketchers.
Car and Bike show wasn't just a display but also a chance to meet the community that has been preserving the cars so well. Many have been in their family homes for generations and some have been newly acquired by them over time.
So that was all about the third edition of the Classic Drivers Club Classic and Vintage Car and Bike show here at Alipur Museum. And I hope you really like the displays that were here. We will be back again on Indulge Express with more such vlogs. Till then, don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to the Indulge Express YouTube channel. Thank you.